Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking your core pieces in place. 3x Galaxy Eyes and 2 3x Galaxy Soldier, plus search or trade-in targets. Once done, draw for an opening that lets you normal or special Galaxy Soldier to search Galaxy Eyes. Make sure to thin with 1-2 draw/search spells. That increases consistency. You then use available resources, normal summon, special summon, or use trade-in, to bring Galaxy Eyes onto the field quickly, because establishing that big rank 8 threat is the entire plan. Once you have Galaxy Eyes on board, transition smoothly into rank 8's Eyes plays. Use Soldier or additional monsters as materials, then overlay into your go to rank 8. Make sure to preserve at least one material. Many Galaxy effects require detaching. Next, use a rank up or Galaxy Wizard style converter to upgrade into a higher threat that steals control or negates. Keep tempo by chaining searches on resolution, and be ready to use defensive spells or traps between these steps to protect the key monsters from removal. You now close the game, consolidate into one negating boss and a large Galaxy Eyes for direct pressure, attack or use effects to clear blockers. Make sure to set protective back row or keep one hand trap to respond to disruption. If things go wrong, opponent removes your key monster. Don't panic. Bait that removal with a smaller target, then use rank up, grave recycle, or searchers to rebuild the board quickly. Practice these sequences so you recognize the right bait and recovery play under pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.